Namaste, friends. Happy to inform you that in the month of March, the Modi government allotted 59,000 crores to 4 large semiconductor fabs in India. The first ones to big commercial scale semiconductor production. Immediately, as is the want of the opposition, there was criticism from some very intelligent intellectuals. But did they miss the point? Just a month back, the American government had allotted more than $8 billion to Intel for bringing back semiconductor production from Taiwan back to the United States. If there is one thing that the 2-year-long war in Ukraine teaches us, it is that semiconductor supply chains cannot be global. The grind, which is the Ukraine war, has taught us many lessons. Things like air superiority could not be maintained by the mighty Russian Air Force. Tank-on-tank battles were not being fought because tanks were being hunted down by FPV drones. Air defenses and AWACS are not allowing the Russian Air Force to establish air superiority. There are many other learnings. The battlefield of the future is one of electronic warfare. Live coordinates are streamed by drones. Artillery is attacking live to those coordinates and then it's scooting. But other artillery is following it with anti-radar batteries. What does this all tell you? War has been reimagined. The future war is electronic. So Modi ji's government learned this lesson from the Ukraine war just as well as the Americans did. And Atmanirbhar, they decided, is what India needs to be to fight any long war in the future. And why is it necessary? Because our adversary, our possible enemy, is also Atmanirbhar in all defense production. Modi ji और आगे की सोच है. Future fighter planes will have a bevy of wingmen along with them. Those will be intelligent wingmen. Future naval battles will be fought by the way the Ukrainians fought. They have no navy, but they have stopped the Russian blockade in the Black Sea. मोदी जी ने ये सब जानते हुए आज का कदम उठाया है. आत्मनिर्भर in electronics and in defense is non-negotiable. This is the great vision of our great leader. Two great powers can never share a land border, but India and China do. And the lessons of history are well learned by Modi ji. Namaste.
और ये भी बुद्धिमानी नहीं है कि दुनिया में 10 लोगों के पास जिस प्रकार के औजार हैं, वही औजार लेकर के मैं मेरे जवान को मैदान में उतार दूं. मैं कब तक ये रिस्क लेता रहूंगा? जो औजार, जो हथियार उसके हाथ में है, वैसा ही हथियार लेके मेरा नौजवान क्यों जाएगा? उसके पास वो होगा जो उसने सोचा तक नहीं होगा. वो समझे उसके पहले तो उसका खात्मा हो जाए.